Here is the apartment. Need to change this cork. You see, it's rented. So plan very simple. Need to take the cork off, install this laminate flooring, and here is the underlayment which is installed maybe 100 years ago, and we have to keep it. You see, dark one. Press it. Some wood dust and paper. So what I wanna do, I wanna remove this baseboard because I need to see the gap between wall and laminate flooring. This is the process. I have dolly. I will put all material. So I remove all laminate flooring, and first of all I have idea to start from dining area, but there is some problem. I have to slide floor under the heating register, and so if I do this direction, you see this is the biggest, the smallest side, so I have to put it in and lock to this side, you see. But if I start from that side, I have to install opposite way, so it's not really comfortable. That's why I change my mind and I remove whole floor from this side, move furniture, and now I want to put underlay. First of all, we're guessing do we need underlay or not, but I think we have to put underlay, because you see here is the wood strip, and in some places this wood strip little bit higher, so better when I put underlay, this underlay, you see, and it will help me to solve some noise when we finish floor installation and people can walk. If it's laminate floor will attach to this wood strips, I'm guessing it will be noisy a little bit, so better avoid it. So now I want to start installation of this underlay. I need few different lengths of boards. Then I will cut up. Then I need just like this, full board. If you have heater, you have to slide under. See? And I have to slide it under. Okay? And leave some water gap. Sometimes it's too high and we install shoe base on the bottom, but here it's very tight to the floor. Just quarter from this side right here. I am going to install this base part back, and we have no nails here and caulk, so better break the nails. If you pull it out, sometimes you can see the holes here, so that's why I don't want to do it. And I'm just you see, break the nails, very easy. Just break the nails. Careful. And then take the knife and cut off silicone. You see? It's not take a lot of time to do it, just just 2 minutes, and then I will put new caulk, and this is so when I will install it, I wanna use 23 gauge nails. When I nail it, it's not visible. I just use 1.25 inch nails, pin nails. After installing first line in baseboard, I put boxes on top of the laminate flooring to avoid any movement and then fall of installation. This is the easiest way. So this is final result. It's floor already installed. I put baseboard, I put silicone on top of the baseboards. It's very finishing touched whole installation, transition you see to whole tiles and entrance also. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any question, don't hesitate, ask me, I always answer you. See you on next video.